How can I switch tabs in Notepad++ via Ctrl+PgUp/down? How can I run through the tabs in Notepad++ easily? I would like to use Ctrl+PgUp/page down like in Firefox.
I'm using Notepad++ version 5.7, and it's simple to change the behavior to do exactly what you're looking for. Use Ctrl+PgUp/down to change tabs just like in Firefox. Here's how. Step 1. Click Settings, Shortcut Mapper, and make sure Main menu is highlighted at the top of the window. Then scroll to the very bottom of the list and find the line that says Switch to Previous Document. Double-click on its current shortcut value, and in the window that comes up change the shortcut to Ctrl+PgUp. Similarly, change the shortcut for Switch to Next Document to Ctrl+PageDown. Step 2. Click Settings, Preferences, Miscellaneous tab. In the Document Switcher, Ctrl+Tab box, uncheck Enable Mirror Behavior. This is needed so that switching to the next/previous document will switch to an adjacent tab, rather than switching to the most recently used tab. Edit. Shoot. This question is answered far better here. Switching to tabs to the right or left of the current tab in Notepad++. Wish I'd seen that first. Smile.
Use Ctrl+Tab. Same will apply to most tabbed applications. Smile.
To enable Ctrl+PageUp/down tab switching behavior, use AutoHotkey script. This script has a minor bug. When Notepad++ window is focused but the mouse pointer is placed outside of it, then the AutoHotkey, X button 2, will go to the window over which the mouse pointer floats. Has anybody found a better solution? This script is based on the one taken from this blog.
Use Ctrl+SHFT+Tab to run through the documents. From all the keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+Tab switches between two documents.
Sheesh.